Once upon a time, there was a cat. One day it saw a mouse and immediately pounced on it and killed it and ate it up. Now this cat was living in the same house where a bat also lived. But the cat did not know about the bat because the bat was living in a hole in the wall and the cat could not see it. So both the cat and the bat were strangers to each other. One day, the bat made a nest in that hole and gave birth to 2 children. Both the mother and the children were very hungry, but the hole had no food and water. So the mother bat went out in search of food. But before going out, she told her children, "Do not make any noise till I return." The little bats nodded their heads, saying, "Yes, mother, we won't make any noise." But when the mother bat went out, these 2 little bats started screaming, "We are hungry! We are hungry!" At the same time, the cat happened to pass by outside the hole and heard the voice of the bats. He thought, "What is this noise? Who is making the noise?" Then he looked inside the hole and saw those 2 little bats. Immediately he jumped and caught one of the bats in his claws and said, "You rat, you are in my house, and you are making all this noise? Do you think I will leave you?" Hearing this, the little bat started to panic and said, "No, no, sir, please don't kill me. I am not a rat, I am a bird. Look, I have wings. Have you ever seen a mouse with wings?" The cat thought for a moment. It is true. Mice do not have wings. Then he let go of the bat, and the bat managed to save his life. Now the cat was sleeping in the afternoon as usual, and the owner of the house came and gave him food and left. After the cat ate the food, it went to sleep again. Meanwhile, the bat and his son, who were hungry, entered the house. Seeing the cat fast asleep, the bat said to his son, "Look, there is food in front of that cat. Let's eat it quickly." As soon as the cat woke up and saw that the food was eaten, he immediately got up and looked around and saw the bat standing there. Immediately he jumped on the bat and said, "You rat, be my enemy, eats my food. So, today, I will eat you." The bat said to the cat, "No, no, sir, please don't kill me. I am not a rat. I am the vehicle of Ganesh, the mouse. I have come to eat the prasad that you worship." Hearing this, the homeowner thought it was true and let it go. And this time the bat managed to save its life. After some time, one day it rained heavily, and it was impossible to go out to look for food. The bat was terrified by hunger and thirst. Suddenly, he saw that the window of the puja room was open, and there was a lot of akshata kept for worship. So, the bat entered the puja room and started eating the akshata. The owner of the house heard some noise in the puja room and saw the bat eating the akshata kept for worship. He picked it up and said, "I will not let you go without killing me today." The bat said in a panic, "No, no, sir, please don't kill me. I am not a bat. I am the vehicle of Ganesh the mouse. I have come to eat the prasad that you worship." Hearing that, the homeowner thought it was true and let it go. And this time too, the bat managed to save its life. So, friends, the story is very old and has been told to many people. But the moral of the story is that if you act wisely and do not get into trouble, you will be successful.